India's first indigenous aircraft, Hull Tejas. From aerodynamics that determine the flight principles to all the advanced mechanisms and materials that are used in constructions, Tejas is a prime example of how modern chemistry and modern physics shape our aerospace technology. It has a delta wing design offering high maneuverability and super aerodynamic performance. It works on its elevons and flaps. Elevons are present on the trailing edge of this aircraft. The flaps are used to lift the aircraft while takeoffs and landing. It has a glass cockpit providing 360 vision, crucial for combat and situational awareness. It can carry air-to-air, air-to-surface and anti-ship missiles. Aero engines are crucial for providing the aircraft with a thrust for its flight. This aircraft has a specially designed indigenous engine known as Kaveri engine. It was designed specifically for Tejas by DRDO. What sets the Kaveri engine apart is its indigenous design and its efficient fuel capacity.
So, the modern chemistry used here, it is made up of 45% of composite materials with carbon fibers and etc. The second thing is, the fuel capacity of it is 4,000 kgs, that is 4,000 liters, and the fuel used is hydrocarbons, mixture of hydrocarbons, which are used in high jets, and this type of fuel is known as jet A engine fuels. The second thing is its freezing point is minus 47 degrees, so it can perform better in high altitudes.
My name is Ayush, and today I am here on emphasizing the principles of physics that are acting on this aircraft. Not only HAL Tejas, but every aircraft works on the principle of lift, drag, thrust and weight. Basically, these principles are responsible for the takeoff movement and also the propelling movement of aircraft in the air. There was a Scottish physicist named as James Clerk Maxwell. Who was he? He contributed in the field of electromagnetic waves. So why I am telling this? Basically, in HAL Tejas, when the pilot is sitting in the cockpit, he can understand or find out any enemy aircraft in the nearby surrounding with the help of radar. And how he is doing that? With the help of electromagnetics such as sonar that is present in submarines. Delta wing. Delta wing plays a crucial role in HAL Tejas because this aircraft is a light combat aircraft. Therefore, these wings are perpendicular and also provide an overall weight distribution and aerodynamic facilities.
HAL Tejas is the most eco-friendly aircraft that is present in the Indian Air Force right now. It emits the least noise and air pollution. It emits the least waste. Although military aircrafts cannot be fully eco-friendly due to its nature, but Tejas shows several green initiatives.
As we have made our Tejas, we have also made our IS Delhi. We know that aircraft are carried by Navy ship. This is modern naval ship, INS Delhi. It uses sonar. It uses many physics components like Boeing weight and automatic principles. It's also used sonar detective field to detect any ships around the ocean. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Jai Hind.